Clipping with Whop is one of the most beginner-friendly business models for 2026. You don't need to make content yourself, build a product, or know how to edit. Creators give you long-form videos. Your job is to turn those videos into short clips and post them. Creators pay anywhere from $1 to $6 per 1,000 views. So if just a few clips take off and hit around 200,000 views, even at the rate of $4 per 1,000 views, that's $800. In this video, I'll show you how to find the highest paying Whop clipping campaigns and how to use AI to turn one video into 20 viral ready clips in minutes. This is your ultimate Whop clipping guide for 2026. Let's get into it. All right, I have my laptop here, so let's go and find a profitable clipping campaign. First, head over to whop.com and log into your dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Discover and select Clipping. This is where you'll find all the campaigns that you can join. Whop has recently updated their interface, and now good campaigns are even more easier to find. Let's select personal brand, choose video clipping, and sort by highest budget. Right away, you can see the best campaigns you can join and start clipping for. Each campaign shows the most important metrics: how much you earn per 1,000 views, how much the campaign has already paid out, and most importantly, the remaining budget. As you can see, most of these still have pretty solid remaining budgets. If there's barely any budget left, just skip the campaign and don't even join. After a quick scroll, I found this campaign, which is from On the Margin podcast. This looks really solid because they pay $5 per 1,000 views, and since they just started, there's still big budget remaining. Now, if I click on this campaign, you'll see it says join for free, and that's another thing we're looking for, because some campaigns will have a waitlist or they will be even paid to join. So always look for campaigns that are free to join. Now I'm going to join this campaign. Once we're inside, you'll see all of the instructions. This shows you how to properly set up your pages for clipping so everything tracks correctly and you actually get paid. And on the left side, under the content rewards section, this is where you can find all of the content assets for clipping. You'll also see submit video option right here. We'll use that after we post our clip. But for now, let's look at the assets. As you can see, they have very clear instructions how the content should look and what you should tag in the description. And down below, you can find the long form content assets for clipping. Now, what I like about this campaign is that it's a podcast creator, okay? That means there are tons of moments we can turn into short form clips. And with the AI tool I'm going to show you, you'll see how simple this really is. So first, let's open the Google Drive folder and download a long form podcast episode. All right, so we got a long form video saved. Now, the old way of doing this would be brutal. You would scrub through the video for hours, try to find good moments, cut them manually, add captions, and you would have to resize everything for shorts. It works, but it's really slow. And that's exactly why I use Submagic. Submagic takes long-form video, analyzes the best moments, and create 20 viral-ready short-form clips from that video. You upload the video and the AI does everything for you. So to get started, click the first link in the description or pinned comment and sign up for Submagic. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Magic Clips. Here you can paste a long form YouTube video link or upload the raw video file directly from the Whop campaign folder. Submagic scans the entire long form video and automatically creates 10 to 20 short form clips. Each clip comes with a title, a short description, and a viral score, which helps you quickly decide if it's worth posting. I usually focus on clips with viral score above 80%. So at this point, we already have usable clips, but this is where the new Submagic update makes a big difference. As you can see, the generated clips already come with captions. They are already ready to post. You can just go here, change the caption font if you want, adjust the colors, and tweak everything else. Then you can export a clip by clicking here. But with the new Submagic AI Auto Edit update, you can take these clips to the whole new level. First, let's select a clip, for example, this one with a high virality score. Here in the top right, click on AI tools and select Add Magic B-roll. In less than a minute, Submagic's AI will automatically add B-roll related to what's being said in the video. Once it's finished, over here on the left side, you can adjust the B-roll however you want. If you click Edit B-roll, you can change the actual B-roll clips and more importantly, adjust layout. As you can see, there are so many different layout options, and you can make each B-roll section look different, which really enhances the clip. I personally like this layout called Square. It's a very popular layout across short-form content right now. So I'll apply this layout to each B-roll, and just like that, the video is ready. And here's how it looks like.
Some of those influencers got taken away from Brazil to places like Miami and Colombia and Mexico to carry on their influencer career from luxury penthouse apartments.
As you can see, Submagic's AI has added B-roll in a very clean, good-looking template format that's actually related to what's being said in the video. And you can make even more adjustments by clicking on AI tools. Here you can do things like generate a hook title, remove bad takes and silences. You can even generate a thumbnail for the short form clip with one click. Just click edit thumbnail, select the template you like and click generate thumbnails. AI will analyze the video and create two different thumbnail versions, which you can use when uploading clips to YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. Once the thumbnails are ready, pick the one you like and click download. These thumbnails show me because, as you can see right here, I'm using my own avatar. And when you're clipping for a creator, just upload their photos into Submagic, create a character, and select it when generating a thumbnail. And Submagic will automatically use them in the thumbnails. You can do this for multiple creators, so each one of them gets consistent on-brand thumbnails. And I would repeat this process with 10 clips that have the highest virality score. And in less than 1 hour, you'll have 10 viral clips with thumbnails ready to post. With this strategy, you're already beating 95% of the competition in Whop clipping. And the best part is that AI does everything for you. With this setup, you can create months worth of content in a single day. If you're serious about Whop clipping, Submagic is a complete no-brainer. They are also offering 10% off for the viewers of this channel. Click the first link in the description or pinned comment and use the code CREATE at checkout to get an extra 10% off. Now that we have our clips ready, the next step is setting up the pages we're gonna be posting on. For this campaign, we're clipping content for the On the Margin podcast, so we need to follow their setup rules exactly. Every campaign on Whop includes setup instructions. They are usually similar, but always make sure you follow the specific rules for the campaign you join. So first things first, make sure to create a brand new page or rebrand an existing one on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels that's dedicated only to the campaign. In this case, the page must be dedicated to the On the Margin podcast. Your username needs to clearly relate to the podcast, like On the Margin Clips, On the Margin Reels, or On the Margin Podcast. Next, set a podcast related profile picture and make sure all content on the page is on the margin only. Any unrelated videos should be deleted or archived. You'll also need to tag the main On the Margin profile in your bio on each platform. Once the pages are set up, don't post immediately. I recommend warming up the accounts, which the campaign also suggests. For the first 24 to 48 hours, scroll through content, like videos in a similar niche, follow relevant business and podcast accounts. This helps build algorithm trust and usually leads to better reach. After the warm-up, you can start posting. Every video must follow the campaign guidelines. If it doesn't, it won't be approved and you won't get paid. There's no posting limit, but you should post at least one clip per day to stay active. Once you post a clip, make sure to go back to the campaign page in the content rewards section and click submit. Paste the link to your clip and that's it. Once your clips are posted and submitted, they enter an auto approval window. During this window, your clip starts collecting views and your payout is calculated based on how many views it gets. At the end of this period, they check the total view count and you get paid accordingly. Once the creator processes the payment, you'll see the earnings appear in the payouts dashboard. From there, you can withdraw the money straight to your bank account. You'll see the available balance. Just click withdraw, choose your payout method, and complete the payout. Just make sure to submit your clips immediately after posting so they are properly tracked and approved. So by now you probably see how powerful AI really is if you want to make the most out of Whop clipping. If you edit manually, you're either spending 30 to 60 minutes per clip or paying an editor $10 to $30 per clip. Now think about how much it would cost you to make 10 clips. That's either hours editing every day or hundreds of dollars per week on editors. And that doesn't scale. Clipping is simply volume game. That's why I use AI tools like Submagic. With Submagic, you can create dozens of high quality clips every single day without manual editing. Compare Compared to hiring editors, Submagic costs a fraction of the price and replaces the entire editing process. If you're serious about clipping, this is a complete no-brainer tool. Don't forget to use the first link in the description or pinned comment and the code CREATE to get an extra 10% off. Here are a few things I would recommend you avoid if you want to make Whop clipping work. Joining low-paying campaigns. You want to be active in multiple campaigns at once, but only focus on the campaigns that pay at least $1 per 1,000 views and still have budget left. Not posting enough content. Whop clipping is a volume game, so aim to post multiple clips per day across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Not submitting clips immediately. Always submit your clips right after posting. Trying to edit everything manually. At this point, there's absolutely no reason not to leverage AI to edit content for you. So, just to recap all of this, look for good Whop clipping campaigns that are worth joining. Use AI tools like Submagic to turn long-form videos into short clips and scale your content production. Set up your pages correctly and post consistently while submitting every clip. If you play the volume game and stay consistent, this model works really well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.